Morning, Archery fam. We've got the Kodiak takedown, Old Glory string, red, white, and blue. Gold tip warrior arrows, 510 grains. See what it sounds like. Oh, that was close. Hey, we didn't care if we hit it, even though we got it on the second shot, which is nice. And another beautiful day, and it's cloudy, possibly more rain, and we need it. There's Louie, all pooped out next to a puddle after the first round of frisbee. Oh yeah, got this joker all tore up. Heck yeah. Hey, we'll take it 2 out of 3. First 3 arrows of the day. That's not a bad group. And as always, all glory goes to God. And this video has been brought to you by Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior. Get out, shoot your bows, be kind, be helpful. People need your help out there. Today is another opportunity for you to go out there and do your best, be the best that you can be, and improve. God bless each and every one of you. Love y'all.